A very good morning to distinguished audience, guests of honor, our customers, partners, member from the media, and our Dassault Systems colleagues. I welcome you all. We are back. We are back with our flagship event, 3D Experience Forum. Over past few years, we had our 3D Experience Forum where we all got an opportunity to interact, learn, network, and come out with innovative ideas. Today, we are here with the same energy in a virtual world. Like as you all know, the world, what it is, has changed. Has changed people, government, businesses. With the current pandemic, the way we operate, the way we interact has changed. And then it's actually asking us a question on what things we need to do differently to come out of this situation. I'm sure we are going to come out soon. Soon, better way. And for that to happen, we believe technology is going to play a major role where the adoption of technology will help our customers, may it be families, may it the ecosystem, to interact in a virtual world and then continue the businesses. So at Dassault Systems, who we are today, because of our customers, partners, and employees. So to share what we have done from last 1 year, I'd like to launch a video. Please launch the video.
It's always a great pleasure to be in India.
I'm delighted to be here.
I welcome you all to this journey.
You have to see it to believe it.
Namaskara, Bengaluru.
We can change the world.
Thank you everyone for your contribution to the company. We stand with you wherever you are virtually. Going forward, as some of you may recollect, in February 2020, we announced our ambition. Dassault Systems will focus on developing its leadership in the life science and healthcare sector, alongside two other strategic sectors of the economy, infrastructure and manufacturing. These sectors share similar development processes and sustainability needs in their efforts to improve quality of life, whether through more affordable and precise therapies, optimized infrastructures, or better use of the environment. So essentially, its experience is human, is at the core of who we are, what we do, and with whom we do it. Therefore, at the 3D Experience Forum 2020, with a theme, Experience is Human, we shall look at some interesting case studies of our global and Indian customers on how 3D experience universes are deployed to imagine sustainable innovations capable of harmonizing product, nature, and life. Without further delay, I would like to hand over the stage to Bernard Charles, CEO and Vice Chairman of Dassault Systems, for his inaugural address and mark the beginning of 3D Experience Forum 2020. Have an enriching session. Thank you.